One of the only meme coins that seems to be doing very well right now is Cat in a Dog's World. We are seeing this asset actually explode. In comparison to other meme coins out there, this is the one that people are buying. This is the one that people are talking about, right? So in this video, we're going to be going over this from a fundamental perspective, and then we're going to be looking at the chart and looking at some key areas of where we can be actually making the most money here, because that's what we do here on Crypto News. We look for those opportunities and how we can profit from those opportunities together, okay? So Cat in a Dog's World is the coin in question today, powered by Solana. Lovely looking website, very nice and scrollable and reactive. I've identified the strongholds. As you can see, I don't remember what my life was before this, and in some ways it does not feel like I am in base reality in the current moment. I'm not going to read all this, it's a bit long, but you can see it's a very memeable asset, okay? Creating the MEW universe. One day I'll wake up from this, and one day I'll wake up from this dog world dream, okay? Visit the creative universe. You can see very, very, very cool. They're building their own ecosystem as well behind this meme coin. They've got merch. They've got loads of other things going on. So go check them out, guys. I'll leave a link in the description for this, and in the meantime, while you guys are doing that, we can look at the chart here. Okay, we're going to be looking at CMC to start us off. You can see over the last day, 4% down. The last 7 days, wait for it, 19% up. The rest of the market is absolutely tanking it right now. If you look at Pudgy Penguins, for example, the last 7 days, it's down 30%. If you look at PopCat, the last 7 days, down 27%, okay? But no, Cat in a Dog's World is up 20% at a market cap of $241 million, so looking pretty goddamn good. Let's go over to the chart and let's see where we can make the most money trading this asset. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is a Web3 wallet, just like MetaMask and Phantom, but this one is actually better. It's already got 100,000 users, a popping community already. It's rated 4.5 stars on the Google Play Store and the App Store. But this is why it's interesting and why I'm talking about it today, guys. It supports 60 different blockchains. They've got a new utility coming out, which is supported by an ecosystem with an asset tied to it. The asset and the utility today, it is a best card. So what they've done, they've created a contactless payment card, crypto payment card, may I add, that you can have on your phone, and you can pay for your goods through your phone using your crypto. Okay, so they've made this completely possible, and they've built an ecosystem to support that. They've raised $11.5 million in their pre-sale so far, and they're launching very, very soon. If you guys want to get involved with this, I'll leave a link in the description to this project for you guys to go and do your own research, okay? Now, let's get back to the chart and let's see where we can make as much money as possible here trading Cat in a Dog's World. A bit of new. Okay, so you can see we actually bottomed out around this area 1626, and from there it's just been a really clean uptrend. We've seen obviously rejections at the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band. This is only natural when we do see such a nice big spike here in the volume for this asset here, and you can see we have got some quite lovely trendline support coming through as we are progressing up in this trend. Okay, so yeah, it's not too bad, not too shabby. I wouldn't say it's the cleanest uptrend in the world. As you can see, there's a bit of spillage here, and again, we have seen multiple rejections, but I'd say overall it's actually not too bad. There is some sort of parallel channel here that I would be referring to. Parallel channels do tend to usually break down, so we need to be vigilant of that. If we do see a move to the downside, then this will be the move. Okay, it will look something like this. As you can see here, it's going to be around a 24% move to the downside. But if that does come into fruition, guys, and we do see this asset really dump off a cliff, then we are here to long the goddamn hell out of it, right? You've got the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band creeping up to that completion of the measure move. And you can see the last time we tested that, bang, massive, massive wave to the upside. Again, first test there, nice wave to the upside as well. And usually when we come down and we test this, we usually see quite a nice wave until we break it, okay? But the first test is usually quite reliable, and that is where we're going to be at right now. The first test here should line up pretty much with this measure move, and you can see the momentum actually from this area. In previous price action, we did see quite a nice big spike here for this, okay? So if that does line up perfectly with the 4-hour and the price action does get down here, this is the longing area. This is where we can make a nice amount of cash. Not the biggest long in the world, but still, I'd say roughly around a 16% move to the upside after this measure move is completed. I'm not out of the I'm not against the opinion in shorting this asset, okay? The rest of the market's down. This asset is going up. Usually when we break trend lines like so, we usually see a bit of a spike down. I probably wouldn't go for the whole move just in case you see the market reverse or Bitcoin reverses. I just don't think that's smart. You should probably go for something more realistic, maybe a 4% move instead here, and you can see maybe even a 10% move. And the points that I'm referencing here, as you can see, are just these previous trend market structure points, okay? So you can see here, this would be a lower high, as you can see, break the high, come down, retest, coming up, breaking this high here, confirming this as a lower high. This is just a micro lower high, so not as reactive, but still quite a good point to be looking out for that. I probably would be looking at for the entry instead, and then shorting it down to the previous higher low in that area. That is going to be it for me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Let me know what you think of Cat in a Dog's World TA and whether you are going to be getting involved with these positions here. And also, guys, don't forget to go check out Best Wallet. Go do your own research here. But this is a project that is looking very, very bullish and very, very exciting for us to actually be taking full advantage of getting involved with this pre-sale. Okay. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.